I would like to agree with Congressman Paduano, Chairman Paduano, kasi established na naman natin Nandiyan ang SEC, tapos si Willie Ong hindi naman Pilipino, Chinese 45% siya, si Jack Yang hindi rin Pilipino, 5% siya, si Eddie Yang 5%, 55% sila in violation of the 60-40 ruling of owning the properties. And I think it is incumbent upon the sa OSG. Attorney, makinig ka naman. Ha? That mag-ano kayo ng adverse claim na dito para mahabol natin tong mga taong ito na binili yung ating mga properties knowingly na hindi naman sila mga Pilipinos. Hindi ba nakikita na ang nangyayari po dito ay nagiging province na tayo ng China? Sa dami ng mga properties sa binibili nila, 292 titles, dito pa lamang sa Empire 999, wala pa yung Golden Sun, wala pa yung Poolwin, wala pa yung Yata Industrial Park, Yata International, Omni. Ano pa yung hindi namin alam? Ano magiging natin dito? Magiging parte na tayo ng China. Alam niyo ba yun? Yun ang repercussion dito and we have to do something about it. And Attorney Suwa, kanina may binanggit ka, so yung Bernice, ang napangasawa, si Dennis Tam. Is that right?
Denise is the sister of Bernice, Your Honor.
Sino yung napangasawa niya na sinasabi mong Pilipina?
The name there is Tan. I do not have the details.
So anong pangalan ang napangasawa ka mo kaya siya na-legitimize as a Filipino because she married a Filipino husband?
Yes, Your Honor.
How sure are we that he is also a Filipino? He's really a Filipino.
I am not in a position
to... same situation kung kay Rudy Ngo. Hindi rin natin alam. Hindi nyo napapansin? Ngo, Hong, Si, Yang, An, Ni, Ting, lahat na Chinese na. Invading na to. Invasion na ang pinagagawa natin dito. Attorney, so we hope that you, together with Secretary Guevara, you discuss this truthfully, honestly, and with the love of the country. Kasi ibang sitwasyon na itong pinag-uusapan natin dito. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I think it is of record that the Solicitor General's office have been consistently acting on the endorsements of the LRA since 1901, Your Honor. So
inconsistently,
as soon as the LRA endorses this case,
Attorney, with your indulgence, inconsistently.
Consistently. Don't be a part of those people who are trying to sell our country. We have new Makapilis, and trying to sell the authentic identity of the Filipinos. Yun ang nangyayari sa atin. We are selling the identity of the Filipinos for a cheap price. PSA, you need to reform. Kitang-kita na namin dito sa kongresong ito, sa committee na to, kung sino ang